everyone. Today we look into an Armstrong number program. 153 is the Armstrong number, and the definition Armstrong number is it is a number equal to the sum of the digits raised to the power of total number of digits. And 121 is not an Armstrong number. This is the calculation, and we look into the procedure how we will calculate that number is Armstrong number or not. And this is the Java program. Okay. Now we'll look into why this 153 is an Armstrong number. Okay, Armstrong number definition means it is a number equal to the sum of the digits raised to the power of total number of digits. That means the total number of digits in this 153 is 3. Okay, and according to the definition, for each digit in the number 1, 5, 3, these are 3 digits in the for each digit power of 3, because number of digits is 3, the power of 3 is 1 power of 3 is 1, and 5 power 3 is equal to 125, and 3 power 3 equal to 27. If we sum all these power of the digits, then it will come 153. Now the actual number is 153 and the sum of the power of the digits is equal to 153, then this is an Armstrong number. Okay, suppose if we take another example, 131, the number of digits in this number is 3. Okay, the power of the each digit is 1 power 3 equal to 1, and 2 power 3 equal to 8, and 1 power 3 equal to 1. That means 10. 121 is not equal to 10. 121 is not an Armstrong number. Okay, now we will look into how we will find out this procedure, find out this is number is Armstrong number or not, the procedure. Okay, suppose I take as 153, and the procedure is find the length of the number. First we need to find the length of the number. That means how many digits are there in this number. In this 153 we have 3 digits, right? That one we'll find out. And the second step is iterate to the number. From the number will start from 0, 1, 2 like that. From the each digit will take, and for that digit power that number with the length for the digit. Suppose if we take as 1 as 3 as the one digit, and the power of with the length of the number, the length of the number is 3, and 3 power 3 equal to 27. That one we will keep in one temporary variable, that is 27. Then repeat the steps 2 to 5. From 3 to 2 to 5 will repeat the steps until the all digits are processed. Now we will take another number, and power to the length of the number is 3. 5 3s are 5 power 3 equal 125. Like that 1 power 3. Like that all the numbers we will calculate, and we'll compare the original number after calculation number. If two numbers are equal, then that is an Armstrong number. Okay, now we'll look into the code. I have created an input number is 153, and I have created an Armstrong number is a function. I am passing this to 153 to the function. I am calling this function to check whether this 153 given input number is Armstrong number or not. Okay, now it will take this input as 153. Now it will take as input as 153, and because this is a number format, we need to find the length of the number. That's why I converted that string value of number. That means I converted this integer data type to the string to get the length. Because a string has the length as a default method, it will return the length of the string, that is 3. Okay, I am changing the original number. I'm processing the original number. That means it will change in the middle of the process. That's why I have created one dummy variable. In this variable original number, it will store the actual number. Okay, and to get the result, I am creating one temporary variable sum. In this sum, after the processing completed, what is the value we get, we'll save in this number. Initially this is a 0. Okay, and we have sent this number as input 153. This 153 is greater than 0. That means this is true. The Boolean condition is true. If that is true, then it will go to the while loop. Okay, and while loop for the number percentage of 10. That means my intention is to get the each digit. For that I am using module. In this module 153 percentage 10 means we will get this remainder as 3. Okay, I will get this 3 as the one digit in the remainder. Okay, now what our intention is to find the power of the each digit, right? power of the length of the here length of the string is 3 and the digit is 3, and here we are we are finding out the power of the digit, like 3 power 3 equal to 27. This 27, this is intermediate result. This one I am saving that in the sum. Now it will update the sum as 27. Okay, after that, once this 3 is processed, we need to remove that, we need to remove from our digit, right? For that I am dividing that into 10. Now I will get as 15. Okay, because 153 by 10 equal to 15. 3 is remainder, right? Now the number is modified to 15. Now while loop, now it will return to the while loop. Number 15, here number is 15, right? If 15 is greater than 10, greater than 0, that means it will go through the loop and it will get the remainder of 15 by 10. That means 5, it will get the remainder. Okay, it will get the remainder 5, and we are calculating the power of the remainder. That means here 5 we got, right? For the 5, power of 3 equal to 125, 5 cube. Okay, then sum, then I am adding 27 plus 125. Okay, this one equal to 152. Now the sum is updated to 152. Okay, after that I'm dividing that number with 10. That means this 5 is already calculated, right? I am removing that one and I am getting as 1 as the number. If the number is 1, and it will continue the while loop, because 1 is greater than 0. Now it will come to the remainder. If remainder is 1 percentage 10 equal to 1, that means I get the remainder as 1. And power of 1 power 3 equal to 1. That means I'm 1 power 3 equal to 1. I got the 1, and we are adding the sum here, right? Sum plus 1 equal to 152 plus 1 equal to 153. Now I am adding this to sum equal to 153. Now again I am dividing that 1 by 10 equal to, now we'll get the 0, because 1 divided by 10 equal to 0. Now 0 greater than 0, this is false. This is returning as false. Okay. Now while loop is got completed after all my digits are completed for this number, right? I got 1, 3 and 5. All three I got. Okay. Now the sum contains 153. Here the original number is equal to 153 and the sum equal to 153. Now 153 equal to 153. That means true. I am returning this value to the calling function. Here I am getting is Armstrong number equal to true. Now we will check this whether the program is working correct or not. While running I am running this program. While running this program, for the input 153, we were expecting as is Armstrong 2. Now we will try it with a different input 121. Because 121 is not an Armstrong number, we will try to confirm the same using the code. We already looked into this. 153 is not an Armstrong number. That means this is false. Okay, this one is here. 121 is not an Armstrong number. We will conclude this. Based on this program, we are easily identify whether the Armstrong number is given number is Armstrong number or not. Thanks for your time.